Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about error checking and I want to concentrate on circular references. So I'm going to open my file first, double click. You can see this windows pop up here, and here it shows there are one or more circular references where a formula. Okay, so we can come here to formula, and here I just click here. We can see we have here circular references, and here when I come here you can see it's B22. So if B22 is located here, B22, so you can see it's the total. It should be sum B19 to B22. So here it's B19, B20, 21 and 22, and here we have accidentally and added this cell also to our calculation. So I just double click here and I just it's 22 and I make it 21 and enter. You can see I have solved it and I have the result. When I come here again to error checking, so I don't have the circular reference right now. So it's very important because sometimes we don't notice this kind of errors. And here we have tiny little arrows here. I just want to just zoom it a little bit. You can see this here and here. You have seen those tiny little colors here. From here we can change the color also. Come to the file, after that to the option. So the first one is the formula bar. I can change the color from here, any color I choose. So for automatic it's green, but previously I have changed it to the red. And here we have, from here when we make it manual, our calculation will not automatically update it. From here we can customize our calculations and cancel. So sometimes these are not wrong, sometimes these are just different with the other formulas in the range. So here when I come here, we can evaluate from here. We can ignore this error, we can edit in formula bar which is there, and we can use error checking options. So here when I just double click here, you can see we have summed up these two rows, but here you can see when we have one, so it's wrong. So I just changed B6 to B7, yeah, and enter. You can see it disappears. For this one I just come here, I want to just double click again here. I do not include the 2018. I just can edit this one. It's C. I just change it to B and enter. The next one, for this one, when I double click here, I do not include for George and John Wayne. So I just come here and drag my formula to the right. Yeah. So that's it about error checking and circular references. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.